Salesflare versus Zendesk Sell, which is best for customer support teams? That's the question we're diving into today, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. If you're a customer support team looking to scale, get better insights, and streamline your operations, the right CRM can make all the difference. But which one is truly best for you? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool is worth your time and a surprise alternative that you'll want to consider. Let's start with Salesflare. It's known for its ease of use and its focus on automation, which makes it appealing for teams that want a simple solution that doesn't require a lot of manual input. Salesflare does a great job of auto-capturing data from emails, calendars, and social media, which can save your support team a ton of time. However, its strengths lie more in sales automation rather than customer support-specific features. So if your team is heavily focused on providing ongoing support and managing complex tickets, Salesflare could leave you wanting more. It's a good fit for smaller teams, but may not scale as smoothly as you'd expect when things get more complex. Next up, Zendesk Sell. Zendesk is a well-known name in customer support, so it's no surprise that their CRM, Zendesk Sell, is heavily focused on helping customer support teams. The platform integrates seamlessly with Zendesk's other support tools, allowing you to manage tickets and customer communication in one place. This integration is definitely a strength if you're already using Zendesk for ticketing. However, while this system is highly customizable, it can also be a bit overwhelming for teams that don't have a lot of time to set things up. It's a feature-rich tool, but with that richness comes complexity, which might not work well for teams that just need something simple to track customer interactions. Now, let's talk about ease of integration. Salesflare does an okay job of integrating with various apps and tools, especially with Google and Microsoft, but Zendesk Sell takes it a step further. With Zendesk's marketplace, you get access to dozens of integrations, making it easier to connect your support software to other essential tools in your workflow. But it's worth mentioning that the number of integrations can sometimes overwhelm you, and you might spend more time setting everything up than actually using the CRM to support your team. The fourth thing to consider is the cost. Salesflare's pricing can be more appealing for smaller teams or businesses with tighter budgets. It's a bit more affordable and offers a range of plans based on your team's needs, so it's great if you're just starting out. Zendesk Sell, on the other hand, comes at a higher price point, but for larger support teams, the additional cost might be worth it for the robust features and integrations. Lastly, let's talk about user experience. This is where I think both tools fall short in some areas. Salesflare offers a simple, intuitive interface, but because it's designed primarily for sales teams, you might find its customer support features a bit lacking. Zendesk Sell, as I mentioned earlier, is more robust, but with that comes a steeper learning curve. Your team might need to spend extra time training to use the platform effectively. Here's the thing, while both Salesflare and Zendesk Sell are solid CRM platforms, they are both sales-oriented tools first, and their customer support features can sometimes feel secondary. But after trying them both out for myself, I found a better alternative that specifically targets customer support teams. It offers simplicity, great integrations, and a streamlined workflow that's easy for teams to adopt. So if you're looking for a CRM that truly serves your customer support goals, I recommend checking out the free trial linked in the description. It's an exclusive deal just for you, and it will give you all the features you need without the complexity of Zendesk Sell or the sales-heavy focus of Salesflare. Go ahead and give it a try. Your support team will thank you later.